name was Leonardo Pisano Bigolo. Leonardo was born in the year of 1170 in Pisa, Italy. He was an Italian mathematician educated in North Africa.
Good afternoon, teachers and students. I'm here to give you some information about the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence began with the numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and continues indefinitely. Each number is obtained by adding the last two digits together.
How's the Fibonacci sequence in nature, we ask?
Take for example the sunflower. The display of its florets are in perfect spirals of 55, 34, and 21. The fruitlets of a pineapple create the same spiral based on sequence, as well as pine nuts. As currents move through the ocean and the tide rolls onto the shore, the waves that bring in the tide curve into a spiral that can be mathematically diagrammed onto a plot at the points 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and 55. Sand dollars, starfish, petals on flowers, and especially the nautilus shell all include the sequence of Fibonacci.
Wow, that's a lot to remember. Thank you for helping me.
I would love to tell you how symmetry can be in nature. Well, mathematics is all around us. As we discover more and more about our environment and our surroundings, we see that nature can be described mathematically. The beauty of a flower, the majesty of a tree, even the rocks upon which we walk can exhibit nature's sense of symmetry.
Exactly the same. But if you cut a tree in half, it wouldn't be the same because there are branches everywhere and they aren't the same shape on each side. That would mean it's not symmetric.
A fractal is a detailed pattern that looks similar at any scale and repeats itself over time. A spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and series of circular shapes that revolve around it.
Examples of spirals are pine cones, sunflowers, hurricanes, and especially galaxies. The reason for why plants use a spiral form is because they are constantly trying to grow. Mathematics is everywhere. Mathematics is used in our everyday life, in nature, in man-made. We don't know it, but we use it all the time. We use it in our world, in our environment, and we use it everywhere else.